Hello friends, this is Miss Lissa, and today you're going to use an art tool. I'm about to show you how to make it, but first I want to show you. It's called a viewfinder. That's a viewfinder. What does it do? It helps you find a view. I'm going to show you how to make it. I'm going to show you how to use it, and you're going to use it to make art today. There's a few different ways to make a viewfinder, but I'm going to show you one. So you start with a piece of paper, and you fold it in half. Once you do that, you're just going to cut out a rectangle. Go smaller than you think first. So maybe 2 little cuts in like that. And you come over here. So when you open it up, there's your viewfinder. Now this one is a little bit more of a square. If you want it to be more of a rectangle, you cut it bigger. But you want to go small first. Don't go huge. You can see this is not even as big as my finger. So you don't want to go too big. So we're going to use this viewfinder to find a view. So the reason why artists use viewfinders is to help them find a view. The world is a really big place, and what a viewfinder does is it pares down, so you're only looking at something and focusing your energy on one thing. It's called composition. So here's my part of my backyard, and if I bring a viewfinder in, only what would be in the viewfinder would be what I do my art out of. So you're going to find a view, and then you're going to stop where you think it looks pretty good, and that's what you're going to draw. I would suggest only taking a view of things that aren't moving. So I wouldn't necessarily do your dog. I would do something that stays still, and it can be abstract. You can get far away, or you can get really close up. You decide. Once you find the view, then you're going to draw what's in your viewfinder. Again, it can be just a little piece. It can be a whole big area. You can do it vertically or horizontally, but the viewfinder helps you narrow down what you're looking at. Try not to have your viewfinder in the wind. When you use your viewfinder to find a view, you're going to be looking closely to make your art. That's called observation art. And I want to show you a few observation artworks of landscapes. Now, landscape is a type of art of nature. So this is a landscape painting of the Oxbow River from 1835 by an American artist named Thomas Cole. And here we have the Black Mesa landscape of New Mexico. And this is from Georgia O'Keeffe, who is an American artist, and she painted this in 1930. And here we have the wheat field with cypresses. And this was painted by French artist Van Gogh, or some people call him Van Gogh, in 1889. They looked at the land, they decided what to put in their paintings. Whether they used a viewfinder or not, we're not sure, but this is a landscape. And another way of looking at something is called a still life. It's a genre. So it's a type of art. It's kind of what you look at in your paintings. And this is called The Still Life with Skull. This is by French artist Paul Cézanne from 1896. And this is a painting called Bananas. Sometimes it's called Bananas Still Life from 1997 by a Russian artist named Maya Koptseva. Maybe it's Koptseva. So we've looked at landscapes, we've looked at still lives, things that don't move, that are put together to make art out of. But before I said not to do something that's moving, but I thought maybe I did want to make art out of something not moving. And another genre is called animal paintings, and my animal is my dog. So I'm going to show you, these are some photographs that I took of my dog using a viewfinder. So again, you're going to be looking through a viewfinder. You're going to find something you want. You're going to decide what goes in your art. That is called composition. And you are going to draw what you see. Good luck, friends. When you're done, post it. I want to see it. Okay, this is Miss Lissa. Goodbye.